before climate-controlled vehicles, before technical outdoor fabrics, before synthetic sun protection, there was the Keffiyeh, light, adaptable, timeless. It was never simply a piece of cloth. It was protection, identity, and tradition. Its story begins in the ancient landscapes of the Middle East, where intense sunlight, dry winds, and blowing sand shaped everyday life. Communities needed clothing that could adapt to changing conditions. The answer was elegantly simple: a square of woven fabric, large enough to cover the head, the face, the neck, or even the shoulders. Folded in different ways, the same cloth could shield against heat, filter airborne dust, retain warmth during cool desert nights, or provide shade beneath the midday sun. As generations passed, the Keffiyeh became deeply woven into regional culture. Different colors, weave patterns, and methods of wearing it reflected local traditions, craftsmanship, and family heritage. The science behind the Keffiyeh begins with natural fibers. Cotton offers excellent breathability, allowing air to circulate while absorbing moisture. Linen provides additional cooling through efficient heat transfer. Wool blends improve insulation during colder seasons. The loose weave creates microscopic air channels, helping regulate temperature in challenging climates. Construction reflects centuries of textile expertise. Balanced thread tension creates durability. Hand-tied fringes secure the woven edges. Geometric patterns emerge from carefully planned weaving sequences. Every thread contributes to both function and visual identity. Every finished edge reflects remarkable attention to detail. Throughout history, the Keffiyeh accompanied traders, farmers, shepherds, travelers, and entire communities. In modern times, it also gained visibility far beyond its region of origin, appearing in fashion, art, public life, and international culture. Its meanings can vary depending on historical, regional, cultural, or personal context. Yet its original practical purpose remains unmistakable. Psychologically, the Keffiyeh represents continuity. It connects generations through shared craftsmanship, shared landscapes, and shared traditions. A simple woven cloth can carry memories, belonging, and cultural heritage across centuries. Modern textile manufacturing continues refining traditional production. Organic cotton reduces environmental impact. Recycled fibers conserve resources. Digital looms improve precision while preserving classic patterns. Responsible dyeing techniques lower water consumption. The future combines sustainable innovation with respect for traditional craftsmanship. Today, the Keffiyeh continues to be worn throughout the world. Its fibers continue evolving. Its manufacturing continues improving, yet its essence remains unchanged. Every woven thread reflects generations of skilled artisans. Every geometric pattern preserves a tradition that has endured for centuries. Every carefully folded Keffiyeh reminds us that the most enduring garments do more than protect the body. They preserve the stories of the people who wear them.